Hello friends, this video on conservation of plants and animals part 14 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Question number 9. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. Now let us see, how do we get paper? How is paper manufactured? So the raw material which is used for manufacturing paper in factories is nothing but wood pulp. So that means the more paper you want to manufacture, the more wood pulp you will need. Now in order to get more wood pulp, you need more trees. So you will actually end up cutting more and more trees. So it is very important that we use paper judiciously so that we have to cut less trees. Now, some of the ways by which we can reduce or we can save paper is stop unnecessary usage of paper. Like in many cases where there is no need to use paper, let's stop using it. For example, while booking your tickets, if you can book your tickets online and you can get your ticket online, then there is no need of getting a printout, because these days you get your ticket in an email or in your mobile phones. So please do not waste paper in that case. In many cases, you can submit your assignments or you can submit your application forms online. So there also you can save some paper. For example, when you want, many a times it has been seen that people take printout unnecessarily. So if you feel that taking a printout is not required, then please do not take it. Try to utilize the paper more effectively. For example, when you use your notebooks, do not leave a lot of empty pages because you are actually wasting paper. So try to utilize it at its best. So that is one way by which we can stop unnecessary usage of paper. So that way also we can reduce the need to a large extent. Second is recycle paper. So paper once used in some way, try to use them in some other way. For example, your notebook, when you have already written in your notebook and all the pages are full, so you cannot rewrite over them. So what can you do? You can use the same pages to prepare envelopes. You can use them to prepare paper bags. So that ways you can use those kind of papers, or you can use them to cover smaller books. So try to use the paper for multiple purposes, and in that way also we can reduce the need of having more paper. So when we can use paper less, or if we can save paper, in that case our need for paper will reduce. Because paper production involves a lot of things. The factories, they will throw some chemicals which will cause pollution. Again, during the manufacturing of paper, electricity will be used, water will be used. So if we can reduce the entire process, so everything in all ways it will be beneficial to the environment. Question number 10. Complete the word puzzle. Down. Number 1. Where is number 1? This is 1. Species on the verge of extinction. So those who are about to get extinct, because they have remained in very lesser numbers. So they are called endangered species. So this will be endangered. 2. This is your 2. A book carrying information about endangered species. So just now we spoke about it, the red book. So why do we have this book? This is your red data book. So this is red data book. So why do we have this book? So that we know which are the endangered animals and we can take special care of them so that we can conserve them. 5. Consequence of deforestation. So one of the consequence of deforestation, where you have the third letter as S. So due to deforestation, soil erosion can take place. So the chances of the water retaining capacity of the soil reduces. So gradually the soil fertility goes off, and as a result the fertile land gets converted into deserts. That is called desertification. So desertification is a consequence of deforestation. So this will be desert. Now let us look at the across rows rather. Number 1, so here is 1. Species which have vanished. So they are already gone. So they are extinct species like the dinosaurs. Number 3, species found only in a particular habitat. So they are exclusively found in a particular location. They are called endemic species. Number 4, variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in an area. So that is called biodiversity. That is the variety of living organisms that would include plants, animals and microbes in a particular area. So with this we have reached towards the end of this lesson, and I hope that this lesson on conservation of plants and animals would have helped you. Now, some of the points which you have learned out of this discussion on biodiversity conservation is that we should always try to do our best from our side so that we can help in conserving biodiversity, and also we can help to keep our environment cleaner, like stop unnecessary usage of paper, plant more trees, stop cutting down trees, stop wastage of any natural resources. So I hope this would have helped you. So see you all in the next lesson. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.